from Sorcery Soap. I wanted to show you some new colors that I'm making. This blue is called Proud Peacock. It's a blue mica from Nurture Soap, and it behaved perfectly. And I don't know if you can see how smooth it is, but I'm really happy with it. And there isn't a whole lot of this, but there's a few bars. Hopefully by the time I get this posted, there'll still be some if you want to take a look. And but I'm going to make more. I wanted to test it and see, but it's just really pretty. And it's not quite, I know somebody in the Sorcery Creations Facebook group asked me for a Tiffany blue. It's not quite Tiffany blue. It's sort of like a little bit more teal, but it's close. So anyway, I used it today. I made some soap cookies, which I'm going to make another white one and then put on top of here. And the white ones, these soap cookies are going to have a scent to them. I usually don't make soap cookies that have scents, but this is going to have a scent because I made a whole batch of Birchwood Ode from the new collection from Brambleberry, and I'm very pleased with it. And it smells so awesome. So I'm going to make those so you guys can sample that when you order soap dough. And the other color I made was this purple, and it's a purple recipe. But both micas, the purples came from my Nurture Soap. But it is, I know some people said that they had a trouble making purple because I'm not really sure why. I think somebody said that it ashed really hard or something, but this, no problem. So I have a few bars of this color on the website as well. And oh my gosh, I mean, it's so hot here today. So this is why it's so soft. It's generally not quite this soft. And I've been working with this soap dough for quite a while, but even so, it's not sticky. So it's a little sticky, but it's not like sticky. Anyway, super pleased. I'm so excited. I wanted to share it with you. So if you get a chance, get over to Sorcery Soap and pick up a couple of these bars. You're not going to be disappointed. Okay, I can't guarantee that, but I find them very delightful anyway. So, and then I'm going to make samples out of these too. So anyway, hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe or leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of these colors, if you even like them. And that's all I have.